Today is day 5 of our 50 squats a day for 10-day challenge. I'm doing my 50 squats while standing on a vibration plate to add a little extra something to it. And I'm also going to use 2 soup cans for weights. If you have weights, you can do it with weights, or you can even just put your hands on your hips and do it however you want to get your squats in. Today, I'm going to start off and do 25 biceps, and then I'm going to switch it up. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And next, I'm going to do tricep kickbacks like this with the soup cans. Catch my breath here for a second. Okay, ready? And 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yay! Oh, and do maybe some shoulder rolls here. Oh, did it! 5 days done! Yay! And just 5 more to go. Thank you everybody who's been doing this with me, including Donna and Dawn, Pam, Twaun, from Traces of Twaun's Life. Everyone who's been doing it with me so far, good job. And thanks for joining me. It's always more fun to do these with friends. If this is your first time catching this, I do have a playlist, and it has the first 5 days on there, and we'll be putting all 10 as soon as we're done. All right, everybody, hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.